Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn chapter number 22 in English Grammar, Standard 4th, and the name of the chapter is Group Names. What do we call the group names? For example, do you know cricket team? Our Indian cricket team? Yes. So each and every player is selected from the different city. For example, Rohit Sharma is selected from the Mumbai. Okay, Gautam Gambhir is selected from the Delhi. Hardik Pandya is selected from the Baroda. So, such a way, each and every player is selected from the different city and they play in a single team. So, the team can be called as group. So, हर एक प्लेयर अलग अलग सिटी के अंदर से चुना गया है और वो एक ग्रुप में खेलते हैं तो उसको हम ग्रुप बोलते हैं। जैसे कि अगर मैं आपको डायरेक्टली नाम दूँ सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान, आमिर खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, सो ये सब क्या है, ये सब कौन से ग्रुप में आएंगे? ऑब्वियसली एक्टर, हीरोज़। ओके, एक्टर। अभी हम दूसरा नाम बोलते हैं ऐश्वर्या राय, सुष्मिता सेन, आलिया भट्ट, लाइक दैट। सो वो सब किस में आएंगे? एक्ट्रेस, अ ग्रुप ऑफ एक्ट्रेस। सो ग्रुप में क्या होता है, एक चीज़ कभी नहीं होती, एक चीज़ कभी होती है नहीं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैट, डॉग, गोट, काव, हेयर एंड हॉर्स। सो कैन यू गिव द नेम ऑफ दिस ग्रुप? ये जो मैंने नाम बोला, कैट, डॉग, गोट, काव, हेयर एंड हॉर्स। सो आई हैव स्पोकन सम नेम ऑफ एनिमल. So what will be the name of this group? Group of animal, है ना? So कोई भी चीज़ आप इंडिकेट करो, ठीक है? जैसे कि कोई भी फॉर एग्जांपल पर्टिकुलर मैंगो ट्री, बनियन ट्री, सो हम सभी ट्री के नाम बोलते हैं। अगर हम इसको लिस्ट आउट करेंगे तो व्हाट विल बी द नेम ऑफ दैट? यस, अ ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रीज। सो यहाँ पर ग्रुप का नाम देने हैं। क्या देने हैं? कैन यू लिस्ट आउट द वेजिटेबल्स? बिकॉज यू यूज टू ईट vegetables daily. Different vegetables are eaten by all of us. Okay, so you can say potato, tomato, brinjal. So what could be the name of the group? Yes, vegetable, group of vegetable. As the same way, if you take the name of some fruits, so group of fruits. So यहाँ पर ये टास्क बहुत इजी है, ये बहुत कठिन चैप्टर है नहीं, ठीक है? सो ग्रुप ऑफ किसी भी चीज़ को, किसी भी ग्रुप के अंदर आप सेम चीज़ पाते हो तो उसका एक नाम देना होता है, ठीक है? तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप नेम. सो मैनी nouns can be grouped together and a common group name can be given to them. जैसे कि if you list out the names of teachers that you know, the group of teachers. If you list out the names of doctors, so group of doctors. ठीक है? नाउ यहाँ पर कुछ एक्सरसाइज है जो बहुत ही इजी है, आपको जल्दी से समझ में आ जाएगी. एक्सरसाइज: चूज अ सुटेबल ग्रुप नेम फ्रॉम द लिस्ट गिवन बिलो. राइट इट इन द ब्लैंक्स बिलो द ग्रुप्स गिवन इन द बॉक्सेस. ठीक है? अभी देखो यहाँ पर 3 3 6, 3 + 3 3 3, 12 है. हाउ मैनी words are there? 12. What should we do here? You will select. So group of names are already given in the bracket and the list of the things are below side. जैसे कि sofa, table, chair. As we know that we all have sofa, table and chair at home. Some other furniture things are also there. So if the person may say you that please list out the things that you have at home, so you will list out the sofa, table, chair. So what could be the name of that things? Yes, furniture. Second, apple, guava, banana. So what is the list here? What could be the name of the group? Apple, guava, banana. So fruits. Now rose, jasmine, mogra. So there are three different flowers. So what will be the name of that group? Flowers of group of flowers. January, April, September. Here the list of the months. So what will be the name of that group? A group of months. Hammer, chisel, saw. So these tools. If there is only single tool, we cannot say it is a group. But more than one, we will say tools. You know that in our Indian culture there are lots of festivals we celebrate during a year. So here three names of the festivals are given: Diwali, Eid and Christmas. So what will be the name of this group? Festival. We used to wear something to protect our body, that is cloth. So skirt, shirt and coat. What will be the name of this group? Group of clothes. As we eat vegetables daily, brinjal, cabbage, carrot. So what will be the name of the group? Vegetables. ठीक है. Thursday, Monday, Friday. So total 7 days are there in a week. Okay. But here only 3 listed: Thursday, Monday, Friday. So what will be the name of this group? Days. Now how many planets? 9. But here how many given? 3. So Mars, Earth and Jupiter. So what could be the name of these things? Planets. Okay. Ship, bus, 1. As we see every day, sometimes we travel by the bus. Okay. So sometimes we travel by the van. So they are called vehicle. So vehicle is the name of group. Science, mathematics, history. As you study different subjects, math, science, Gujarati, Hindi. Okay. So what could be the group of the name? Subjects. So it is the chapter that I wanted to clear in your mind. I hope you understood. Now I will send the video of this chapter. You have to write whole exercise in the notebook as well as in the textbook. Thank you very much.